So, hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Navirusithan. And of course, you and me would be obviously tired since we both have been roaming around in Germany. We have been looking around the monuments. We have gained a lot of knowledge together. But well, why can't we just relax and do something that I like? And how about we just cook something? Well, yeah, but this time, of course, it's Mr. Cameraman me again. But my mom also asked me, since you made fish and chips, why don't we try something new called fish nuggets? We can actually make them better than McDonald's, which I agree. I mean, McDonald's chicken nuggets aren't even real chicken nuggets. But since I am a pescatarian, which means I only eat fish and vegetarian things, I actually cannot eat chicken nuggets. So basically, we did make fish nuggets, and I was teaching my mom how to do that, which is similar to the process of the fish and chips. So yeah, hope you all enjoy this video, and also rate this from 1 to 10 in the comments after the video ends. So what she's gonna do is she's gonna grind all of those, cumins and pepper and stuff into a single powder and into a fine powder, which is then gonna be used to season the fish a little bit, just for it to taste well, obviously. But key thing is you have to thoroughly, grind it so that it actually turns into a fine powder, not tiny, tiny lumps of some random mess, right? And then what she's gonna do now is she's gonna put the ground powder I just told her to make right now, and then yeah, she's gonna separate that away for later, just for the seasoning later. And now what she's gonna do is she's gonna put the flour in, and then yeah, she's gonna put some egg whites on it as well. Well, yeah, because it needs to be in a texture, but it also doesn't need too much of the yellowy color. So what she's gonna do is she's gonna crack open the egg, just put the yolks inside this, but she's gonna separate the egg white. I mean, she's gonna put the egg whites in this, but she's just gonna separate the egg yolks, just because it does not need all of those yellowish color. So yeah, she's gonna separate the egg yolks and put that in a bowl. And then what she's gonna do is she's gonna keep whisking it until it becomes like a little bit of a liquidy structure, like a little bit of liquidy form. Then she's gonna add water, so a bit of water until it finally becomes in the desired liquidy form, a completely liquidy form it's supposed to be in. And of course, you have to put some salt in just for it to get some flavor, of course. Otherwise, it's gonna taste bland, and it's also gonna taste like it's the worst thing anyone has ever made. So yeah, and yeah. So what she's gonna do, she did is we're gonna have something in the water in a glass, and then depending on the amount we need, we're just gonna keep adding the water on and on until it becomes like a liquidy structure. So yeah, with this, I mean, it is in a probably desired. It is in the form of making pizza dough or something. Well, you can't make this; it's gonna taste terrible if you make it like this. Well, watch my pizza video after this, anyways. But you have to keep adding water to make it in sort of a paste-like form, which we can then actually dip the fish in and start frying it. So yeah, this is supposed to be the little bit desired form. Like we can see the form coming together in this one, but it's not perfect just yet. It still needs some work to do. And alright, now this looks like it's supposed to be perfect for dipping the fish in and coating it breadcrumbs and frying this. Alright, now it's the time to actually start frying this. So yeah, first you actually have to heat up the pan, and then right after that you have to put some oil, and then yeah, we have to let the oil start first. Start boiling up first. But in this gap, she had actually she is going to actually dip it in the egg and the flour and water mix, and then she's gonna dip it in breadcrumbs. And since the oil is heated, now she can actually put it right into the oil, and it will start to fry. Well, also just to let you know, eating too much fried items is actually unhealthy, but you can have them once in a time. So yeah. But also just look at this. Like, doesn't it look especially round? Well, not in the McDonald's chicken nugget sake, but still looks really nice, and it's a lot better than fake chicken nuggets, huh? All right. So what she's gonna do is she's just gonna, continuously just dip in the mixture and then coat in breadcrumbs and put it into this one by one. And then once they all start to, get fried and look in the golden brown shape, she's gonna actually just take them out and let them cool for a bit, just for us not to burn our tongues, right? So yeah, once this is frying and once the bottom part actually reaches like a golden brown, color, you can actually start flipping it just like what she's doing right now. So basically, the golden brown part will actually stay upwards, and the part that was actually and the uncooked part is actually going to stay upwards. And then what she's going to do is she's going to push this away and make room for some new fish pops that she has actually just coated, and she's going to put in this right now. Alright, just doesn't this look really nice? Like, I mean, I'm just so tempted to eat this right now, but have to wait until all of these cook, otherwise it's gonna taste terrible, of course. I mean, hasn't even been fully cooked yet. Well, well, well. There's not too much time left until we actually eat this. But wait, what? That isn't even fully golden brown, but it's okay. It's probably gonna. She's probably gonna coat it another time. But yeah, just look at this. I mean, some of them. But also, you should not keep them on that, even if the side is brown or the other side is golden brown as well, because you need the fish inside of it to actually cook. We're not gonna cook flour, aren't we? So yeah, the fish should also cook. So once you feel like the fish has actually been cooked properly, you can then actually take this out, and similar to this, and then you have to push all of the oil out just for it to taste good, and then we're gonna have to put it in a plate like this. So yeah, pretty cool, isn't it? Wow, doesn't it look really good? Well, there's not a lot of time until we can actually taste test this. So yeah, let's see. And yes, this is the final result. Doesn't it look good? And also smiley face ketchup, of course. So yeah, we're gonna dip this in ketchup. Although, well, I did like dipping in ketchup that time, but right now I swear I really liked coating it in ketchup right now. So yeah, just look at it. I mean, it's really good, isn't it? I mean, I like it. I like it really much. Really like it a lot. I mean, it's really tasty, isn't it? Wow. Just look. I mean, I literally gave a perfect, hand symbol on that. Like, look at how nice that is. Anyways, everyone, thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, comment, and also click the bell button to stay updated to all of my new videos. Anyways, thanks for watching, everyone. Bye. See you in the next video.